Hello, welcome to class. We are now on Theorem 3 under Circle Theorems. So, for Theorem 3 states that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Now, remember that a semicircle is half of a circle. So, if we have this diagram here where this part is the half part of the circle, now the angle subtended here inside the semicircle is 90 degrees. So what they are trying to say is that angle APB is 90 degrees. So we need to show that angle APB is 90 degrees. In order to prove that APB equals to 90, let's look at this. We'll use this diagram. Now we know that here is line AOB, right? So we could say that this angle that we have here, angle AOB, is equal to 180 degrees. How do we know? We know that because we know sum of angles on a straight line is 180, and as well you know that angle at the center is 360. So half of it, because it is dividing, half of it is going to be what? 180. So we could say that AOB is 180 degrees. Angles on a straight line. Now that's established already. Now, if you remember theorem 1 clearly, we stated that angle at a point that is at the center is twice the one at the circumference. So in order to get the one at the center, you need to know it should be 2 times one at the circumference. So if we know that this one at the center is 180, then automatically it came from the one at the circumference. That means you must know half of this one that is at the center. So to calculate this place now, this place will be what? 90 degrees. So we could say that APB will be equals to what? 180 degrees divided by 2. Because this one is at the center, this one is at the circumference. So since that's divided by 2, we know that that's what? 90 degrees. So we could state the rule, the theorem, which is angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference. Is 2 times angle at circumference. So therefore we can say that APB is equals to 90 degrees. So the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees.